Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take not so pretty vases and turn them into gorgeous. For this tutorial you don't need to go out and buy anything, just use what you have on hand. I'm sure we all have pieces around our house, vases that no longer fit into our decor. You will need paint. I'm just using some paint that I had on hand from Target in neutral colors, but feel free to use colors that fit into your decor style. You need a bowl, a paintbrush, and some baking soda. I started by mixing equal parts paint and baking soda, and then you'll see that I added in more baking soda because I wanted this batch to be really thick, and so I just stirred it together and tried to get out as many clumps as possible. And then I'm just painting it on. Adding the baking soda makes the paint really thick, almost like a paste, so it actually covers really well. I was surprised. So I'm just painting it on and not really trying to smooth out brush strokes or anything. I think the extra texture that the brush strokes add kind of helps with that ceramic feel. So once I've got it painted, I'm just going to get the first coat on there and then set it aside so that it can dry, and then I will go back through on all of these and do a second coat. I'm using the same color for this vase, which is kind of like a bubbly textured vase, so I was really excited to see how this one is going to turn out. The paint did kind of take away some of the texture of the bubbles, so they're not quite as pronounced on this one. For this third vase, I am using equal parts baking soda and paint, and this gives it just enough texture, but it's not crazy. So I really like this consistency and how it painted on, and then the final look of it. For this last vase, I am mixing slightly more paint than baking soda in this mixture, and it's a little smoother. It closely resembles concrete, actually, and I love how it turned out. It didn't cover quite as well as the others, so I definitely had to go back in and do a second coat, but I ended up doing a second coat on all of them. The first one I probably didn't need to, but I wanted to make sure that none of the other colors were poking through. So after 2 coats, this is the final result. You guys, I'm absolutely obsessed with how these turned out. I can't believe that they went from the before to the after. So when you're out thrift shopping, or if you have some vases around your house, don't let the color stop you. You can easily change it and turn it into a high-end, beautiful piece with just a few dollars in materials. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it inspired you to create some beautiful DIY faux ceramic pieces of your own. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and if you plan on giving it a try yourself. And if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I would love for you to become part of the Blissful DIY family. And as always, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.